Tapos from afar, tinawag niya akong the whole story is yung referees nung nagkamali sa amin, may nasuspend eh. I think a couple of games ago. No? And pag yung referee naman sa kanila nagkakamali, wala namang nasususpend. And I feel as a governor, it's not his job to keep talking to the referees and in that way intimidating them. Hindi never na ginawa yun ni Attorney Mert yung governor namin. No? So ang layo ng behavior. No? So maybe coaches can complain, maybe assistant coaches can complain. But I feel in terms of demeanor and ethics, yung board, kung kaya nila na pigilin yung emotions nila, they should just leave that to their coaching staff, no? And to the players, kung gusto magreklamo ng players. So ayun. Tapos from afar, tinawag niya ako. Hindi ko naman siya, yun lang naman ang sinabi ko. So, nagkasagutan kami. I think marami namang witness nun. Marami namang naka-witness nun. So, I was just asking him to stop talking to the referees. And then, from afar, sumigaw siya. So, ganun lang yun. And there were a lot of witnesses. Daming witnesses. Di ko naman siya minura. Sabi ko lang, wag mong kausapin ng referees. Which is a fair statement. Kasi, ano yun eh, nakaka-intimidate yun. And in a series, it's a close series, and there are a lot of calls that can determine the game, I'm protecting my team. At hindi namin ginagawa, never ginawa yun ni Attorney Mert sa referee. Or kahit si Boss Edison na assistant alternate governor namin. So, there's a delineation doon sa roles, no? Sa roles ng staff at ng officers ng management ng team namin. Maybe sometimes I can no? Baka paminsan-minsan pwedeng madala siya ng emotion niya, mag-ano siya. But not every time. But not every time. Tao rin naman yung mga yan eh. Minsan may bugso ng emosyon mo, no? Pero you cannot do that for game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4.
Coach, clarify lang. Bago ko tinawag nung yung sinabi mo, meron na ba kayong prior na...
Wala akong alam. No, wala akong alam. Wala akong alam.
Tapos coach, nung after the game, ano yung naging usapan naman doon?
Akala ko makiki-handshake siya. Nilapitan ko si Coach Tim, nag-handshake kami. Tapos lumapit siya. Tinanong niya ako ano raw ang problema ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, huwag mo lang kakausapin yung referees.